Yo guys, it's Salpen and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you the Morphe X James Charles palette, which I received in the post today. I ordered this yesterday so it came pretty quickly. I just thought it would be fun to show you everything that's inside and do a quick little review. So I'm just going to go ahead and read the information on the front and back. So it says here that it's an artistry palette, and it says on the back there's a note from him. It says, "Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my palette. I love glam, but I also have a huge passion for crazy, colourful, out-of-the-box makeup. And I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist." And then it has all the ingredients on the bottom, and there is eyeshadow and pressed pigment inside. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and open this right up. Okay, so it comes in bubble wrap so that the colours don't get messed up when you are transporting the item. And there's just like a little opening at the end so you can slide it right out. And here is the Morphe X James Charles palette. It says on the back here that this product should last 12 months, so you do have quite a while to use up all the colours in here before you need to buy a new one. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this right up here. It comes with a small plastic sheet on top here that says all the names of all the colours. There are, I believe, 39 colours in here, ranging from Spooky, which is the black colour, all the way to Flashback, which is the white colour. On the top here it says "Unleash your inner artist." I'm not sure if you can see that, but if I tilt it maybe you can see that little line there, and that's the writing. So yeah, that is the Morphe X James Charles palette. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will leave a link in the description so that you can buy your own. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!